In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it when Java isn't opening jar files. So you double click on the jar file and nothing happens. The first thing you want to do is go to Google and we're going to type in Java downloads. And from here, we're going to go to Java downloads for all operating systems. Now you want to ensure that you're running the latest version of Java, which is currently 8, as well as downloading the correct version for your operating system. In my case, it's Windows. So once you've downloaded and installed the latest version of Java, the next thing we're going to be doing is going to Google, and I want you to type in jar fix and then search that. So we're going to be going to this top link here from Johan, and that's going to bring us to this page here where they give a really good explanation as to why the file isn't opening, as well as the solution, which we all care about. And long story short, it's this small little jarfix.exe program. So we're going to download this. It's less than 100 kilobytes. And once it's finished, we're going to be opening it up. So I'm going to open up the downloads folder, which it's right here. And then I'm going to click and drag it onto the desktop. Now, once you do that, what you want to do is actually just run this program. So double click on it. And then the program will install itself, and it should only take a couple seconds, and you'll get this pop-up notification, so press OK. And then try and run your jar file and see if it works. Now, if it doesn't, no worries. We're going to be going back to Google, and I want you to type in Java JDK. So this is the Java Development Kit, and we're going to be selecting the first option. Then you want to scroll down and download the compressed version of Java Development Kit. In this case, it'd be this one for me. And then once you've gone through the download and installation process, it may fix your issue as well. In my case, it did. So hopefully this video was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.